Hello students and welcome to my class MK Tutorials. This class is going to be little special and different from a normal class. In this class, I will be talking about some of the amazing science facts which we are not aware, but they are really very interesting and obviously funny at the time. So, the first science fact for the day is why onions makes us cry. Think. Yes, the answer is when we slice or cut the onion, the cells of the onion, it releases sulfur in the air, and the small amount of sulfur it interacts with our eye because it gets a direct contact with the eye, correct? So, and it produces sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid or the small amount of production of this sulfuric acid results in burning, itching and the tearing of the eyes that results into crying. The second amazing fact of science is we all eat Lays, chips, kurkure and all those things. Yes, but do you know which gas is used to keep these chips very crunchy? Gas is used inside these chips. Think. Well, the answer to this is nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is used inside this packet chips because nitrogen being an inert gas, it is not getting affected or any chemical reaction happening between the molecules, and at the same time it is helping the chips to remain as crunchy as it is. The third amazing fact of science is, do sunlight contains vitamin D? It is always said by our forefathers that always go and take the sunlight, the early morning sunlight, as it is a good source of vitamin D. So, do sunlight contains vitamin D? Well, no, sunlight is just a source of light and energy. But yes, when the sunlight hits your skin, the vitamin D formation takes place. The fourth fact is, which is the smallest bone of human body? Think. Well, the smallest bone of human body is the stapes, which is inside your ear in the middle ear part, and it is around 0.11 inches long. So, stapes is the smallest bone of human body. Which is the longest cell in the human body? Well, the longest cell in the human body is the motor neuron. The motor neuron runs from the lower part of the spinal cord to the tip of the big toe. Yes, so it is the longest cell of the human body. So these were the few science facts which I introduced. So in case if you liked it and enjoyed it, please mention in the comment section so that I can come with all the different fun facts of science and concepts to you. So if you like my lecture and teaching, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.